Attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Chickasaw County in northeastern Mississippi, southern Calhoun County in northeastern Mississippi, until 3:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:14 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Embry, or 20 miles northeast of Winona, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Houston, Calhoun City, Vardaman, Derma, Slate Springs, Sabauga, Highland, Woodland, Sparta, Thorne, Thelma, Tattnall, Anchor, Atlanta, Dentontown, Slate Spring, and Lloyd. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time for northeastern Mississippi. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time for northeastern Mississippi. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Mississippi: Calhoun and Chickasaw.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.